first got treated this week, how bad were your headaches? Like an 8 or 9?
Yes, every day.
Now, how frequent are they? And 0 to 10.
And now 0.
Rock on! Hey everyone, Dr. Ashley at Lake Effect Chiropractic. Today we're going to be treating Sean here. She's got some upper back, neck stiffness, and she's had a lot of headaches lately. So follow us along and we'll show you how we treat it. Alright, I'm going to have you look up to the left, and then you're going to look down to the left armpit. Good, look up. And you're going to look all the way down to that left armpit. Back up. All the way down. Back up. And down. Good. I'm going to have you go here. All the way across. So we're working on hitting the levator and rhomboids and working on loosening up some of these muscles that get super tight because she sits all day like a banana. Don't you?
Yep.
Sits at a computer all day, so we're trying to loosen it all up so we can get some good movement in there. Good. Other side. Look up and then down to the right armpit. Back up and then down to the right. Up. Up. Down. So, when you first got treated this week, how bad were your headaches? Like an 8 or 9?
Yes,
And
every day. They were
constant?
clusters. Yep.
And now, how frequent are they? Every couple days?
Yeah.
And 0 to 10.
And now 0. I don't have
Alright! Rock on! Good. Alright, I'm going to have you lay on your back. Alright, so we're going to get those joints moving in that mid-back. Try to loosen it up. I know you're going to scream, so get ready.
I always do.
Deep breath in, all the way out. She loves getting her mid-back and neck adjusted. But, as you can see, it does help a ton with her headache. Over. Good. Wiggle those toes. Good.
That was so good.
I know. That mid-back gets her every time. Good. Now we're going to use the class 4 laser on her. It helps speed up that healing process and get her over the hump. It's really helped decrease some of her headaches. This right here is the class 4 laser. We're going to go through how we treat it. We hit spine, cervical. They've been acute. Light skin cone. 0 to 10. How is your pain today? You said 0, right?
Yeah.
Well, we'll keep it around a 2. Boom. You just relax. Let me know if it gets hot, okay? We're just moving the laser around. Again, what it does is it gets in there and speeds up the healing process by getting good blood flow to the area. Alright everyone, that's all we got for today. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube and give us some love. Have a good day.